Let us look at best practices to improve manufacturing technology. Companies can follow many best practices to continuously improve the manufacturing technology. Companies come under pressure to improve their manufacturing technology, to reduce cost of manufacturing, to improve quality of the product, or to adhere to customer requirements about the manufacturing process. Let us look at some of these best practices. 1. Manufacturing Technology Roadmap. Companies need to have a roadmap for improvement in manufacturing technology. It may involve any process like machining, assembly, heat treatment, and so on. But the company needs to prepare a roadmap for improvement of the manufacturing technology with known technologies. This roadmap would be updated periodically, and the organization has to keep improving the people to be able to achieve this roadmap. Let us look at a few examples of technology roadmap. Foundry technology. Many foundries that are establishing new foundries now are looking to establish automated foundries that require only 1/10 of the manpower that regular foundries need. They are going for fully automated foundries that also address the pollution part of it. There is technology today to recycle 100% of the sand that they use. This saves the trouble of dumping the sand after use. The employees in these foundries will have to learn the new foundry technology. They should know how they can leverage the new technology. They need to know what to ask for when they go to the vendors of the machinery. Assembly line technology has been improving for years. Now the automotive companies are setting up lines that will not allow a bad quality part to be passed to the next operation. These are called no-fault forward lines. These lines have fixtures, gauges at each operation that measure the critical parameter and decide whether to pass the part to the next operation or dump it in the rejection or rework bin. Automotive companies are demanding 0 ppm now, as against 100 ppm, that was the target a few years back. The employees again will have to learn about these changing technologies. New factory and new way of manufacturing. Companies are looking to totally re-engineer the manufacturing methods with a big goal. They are doing it when they have a need to set up a new factory. An automotive parts manufacturing company took up the target of setting up a new factory with 10 times more productivity in manufacturing. They have also set up a big target in quality improvement. They are trying to re-engineer the way they are manufacturing their product. They look to leveraging improvement in technology in machining, assembly, 3D printing, and so on. Leaders in the companies have to update themselves about the best practices and technology that is available to improve the factories in a continuous manner. When companies look to achieving this type of big improvements, these improvements have to be delivered by the teams involved. To enable the teams to deliver these technological improvements and develop their own technological orientation with respect to process technology, companies can act in two ways. Create organizational systems to encourage employees to be technologically oriented. Companies can have the following best practices. Manufacturing Engineering Department. Companies need to have this department to look after and improve the manufacturing process engineering. This department's responsibility is to continuously improve the manufacturing process engineering. Manufacturing Process Engineering Roadmap. The Manufacturing Engineering Department needs to develop a roadmap for improving the manufacturing process engineering in the company. This will be a roadmap for few years. The team will strive to improve the process engineering. The improvement can be measured by people productivity and also by the quality of the process. Specialized teams. Companies can establish teams specialized in specific aspects of their manufacturing. Companies having a lot of machining process may have a team specialized in machine tools. Companies having a lot of assembly process may have a team specialized in assembly technology. Companies usually recruit engineers specialized in these segments of knowledge. Training of employees. The employees of the manufacturing process engineering department and manufacturing team have to be trained in modern manufacturing methods. Each industry may have academic or technical bodies that specialize in their manufacturing process. Some of the international universities are specialized in specific technologies. Example: City University, London, is specialized in air compressor technology. Michigan Dearborn University is specialized in noise, vibration, and harshness parameters of automobiles. Our IITs are also specializing in some specific industries like foundry technology, automotive technology, and so on. Companies need to identify these academic bodies or consultants specializing in their manufacturing technologies and take their help in training their employees. Companies also focus on creating a focus group of employees specialized in their manufacturing technology. Visits to other companies who are in the same industry is also an option that companies can consider. It may be difficult to make companies in the same industry to accept visits. But companies can try for other companies that may be in similar industry and may not be same industry. An engineering company may try to visit automotive company and vice versa. An automotive parts company team may visit the factories of companies manufacturing parts other than their own. Tie up with universities for manufacturing technology. Companies engage with universities or private consulting companies to continuously update their manufacturing technology. This may be led by the company by asking the university to research into a specific area that can help the company, or it may be led by the university or consulting company that may offer specific technology that they might have developed and that they think can be very useful to the company. Sometimes the consultants may take the target of doubling the productivity of specific lines and coming up with new lines that can deliver the results. Many companies are looking for zero-fault forward lines. In these lines, companies use advanced technology to ensure that no bad part moves to the next stage. Some consulting companies or universities may be having the know-how for these zero-fault forward lines. These companies or universities offer their knowledge to the companies. These tie-ups will have to be typically long-term ones. The technology will be developing gradually. Companies should not look at this as a one-time improvement. They need to deploy a team of employees inside their company to continuously look for improvement in this area.